Hello, welcome to Flavor in a Plate. Today we're making chicken wings on a lid. For this recipe, we are using salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, olive oil, paprika seeds and of course chicken wings. We start by putting the chicken wings in a large bowl. Then we mix them with garlic. We mix the paprika seeds with the oil and leave them aside. After, we can add some salt, pepper, then paprika. We mix everything together and at the end we add the olive oil with the chopped paprika. After everything is ready, we put them in the fridge for about 24 hours. We fill a pot with 3/4 of water and we leave it to boil. When it's ready, we put the lid on top and on top of the lid the chicken wings and put them in the oven. Meanwhile, we'll make a garlic cream sauce. We mix the garlic with some salt and a bit of water until it forms a paste. When it's ready, we can add the cream. We have to be sure that the chicken wings are well made, so we're turning them on the other side. Be careful because it's easy to get burned. After we turn them, we put them back in the oven. Enjoy, and until next Friday, don't forget to subscribe. For more details about the recipe, click on the site below.